Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we've got the Eagle Crest race that we need to do. So this is a new one here. So let's see which one that we've got. So we've got the Racing Stripes, which is a new one on a jewel that we just unlocked. So anyway, let's get straight into it. We can get ourselves a medal on this. Alright, so we'll be racing in the Ford Shelby Mustang. Let's take this one. Alright, we got that racer that we need to beat there. In the yellow car. Let's see if we can get a gold. Oh, not now. No cars in the way, please. Getting closer. As far as I know, we haven't crashed into any cars. And we're back in first place. We're 1.26 seconds ahead of second. Taking a shortcut, you cheat. 1 mile to the finish. No, not now. Ah, great. Finished second, and now we just got a silver awarded. That's alright, though. Let's continue. Okay, we've got a new car awarded. Let's see what we've got. So we've got the new Porsche at 911 Targa 4S. Alright, so this is the car here. Completely new, yet true. Okay, so next we've got the Stampede, which is a new one in the hot pursuit part of the race. So let's do this one next. Right, we've got some new equipment available. We've got a turbo engine that we've been put in, that's been put into this car here. So we'll be racing in the Lamborghini Gallardo. And let's get started. There's some cops that are right behind us here. Oh no, roadblock ahead. Dodge that roadblock, nice. Let's use nitrous to go fast on the straight road here. Oh no! Better be careful of that level 3 spike strip. Nice! We just avoided the level 3 spike strip. Whoa, it was a takedown. Lucky it wasn't my car. Okay, new interceptor unit engaging. Would you please get out of my way? Spike strip's been avoided. There we go. Ow! Stop bumping into me, cop. Try to avoid the EMP if we can. Dodge it. Stop trying to wreck my car here. Haha! What a shame I just wrecked your cop car. 1 mile to the finish. Let's see if we can do this without getting busted. Oh man, I should have wrecked that cop car. Whoa, stampede. Finished second and a silver medal awarded. I thought we were going to get a gold medal by then. Rare achievement unlocked. Reached the wanted level 6. We'll have a look at that later. Wanted SCPD. Wanted for extreme speeding. Last seen on a Lamborghini on. Call SCPD on site. And let's have a look and see what else we got. Okay, we got a new car awarded. Oh, another new 4GT in the Exotic series. Okay, this is the 4GT we just unlocked here, so it's $165,000. Nice. So that next car will be going in the Car Weekly update for next week. Alright, anyway guys, that's going to end the video from here. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.